Andito tayo ngayon sa Nazaret kung saan matatagpuan ang The Church of Annunciation, or others called it the Basilica of Annunciation. At ito yung mga kasama ko. Bago kami pumasok sa loob ng church ay may counting lecture si tour guide. At ito yung outside of the church.
Today, andito kami ngayon sa Church of Basilica of Annunciation dito sa Nazaret. We're going in. Let's see kung ano ang nasa loob. Pool. Okay. Bali dito yung nasa loob. It's a little bit dark. Medyo hinahin ko lang konti ang boses ko kasi nakasulat silence please. Malaki siya. Tapos alam naman natin na this is a very ancient church. This is my model for today. So this is the right side of the church, kung saan dito ni-announce ni Angel Gabriel kay Mother Mary that she will going to conceive a baby, and that is Jesus. You can read in the Bible, in the book of Matthew or Luke. Medyo sa na-search ko in Luke 1. Pwede niyong basahin doon. Let's take a closer. So this is the altar. Tapos tignan natin yung sa taas ng church. I mean in the ceiling. Ganito siya. Yan, ang ganda. Tapos ang laki. I don't know kung gaano kalaki tong church na to. Basilica of Annunciation.